Welcome to Smart Picks, your go-to place for the best tools that make every project easier than ever. From cutting and cleaning to building and fixing, we've got you covered. Check out all the gadget links in the description. Let's jump right in. Meet the Batavia Nexxsaw Ultra, truly the Swiss Army knife of saws. Its rotating head glides smoothly from 0 to 30 degrees, making tricky angles effortless. With the built-in oil pump, the blade stays lubricated and runs flawlessly every time. The telescopic handle extends up to 3 meters, so pruning tall trees or accessing hard-to-reach spots is simple. Lightweight, nimble, and easy to handle, it is perfect for gardeners, orchard workers, and DIY enthusiasts. The Milwaukee Circular Saw is built for those who want power and freedom. With its cordless design, you can work anywhere without being tied to a cord. Its brushless motor packs serious strength, spinning at 6,300 RPM to cut through wood smoothly and effortlessly. The smart RedLink electronics protect the saw from overheating and damage, so it stays reliable on the toughest jobs. With just one battery, you can make up to 500 cuts, making it perfect for tackling big projects without interruptions. Compact, tough, and efficient, this saw makes cutting faster, safer, and easier than ever. The Saker Ultimate Portable Dust Cleaner, a compact powerhouse designed to tackle dust like a pro. With a motor spinning at an incredible 180,000 RPM, it delivers strong, consistent airflow that blows dust and debris out of every nook and cranny. The best part? It's cordless, so you're not stuck near an outlet or tangled in wires. Whether you're cleaning your home, refreshing your car, or taking it outdoors for a quick dust-off, this tool is ready to go wherever you need it. It also gives you 2 speed settings, so you can switch between gentle cleaning for delicate spots and full power for stubborn dirt. Its lightweight and compact design makes it super easy to handle and carry around. Just grab this and get the job done fast. The Worx Zip Snip is a small yet powerful cutting tool that fits right in your hand, making it easy to handle without feeling bulky. This compact cutter can take on much more than just paper. From large cardboard boxes to thick rubber and tough packing materials, it slices through with ease. Whether it's opening tough plastic wraps, trimming crafts, or breaking down delivery boxes, it's built to tackle jobs that would normally leave your scissors useless. The Worx Zip Snip is like a tiny powerhouse cutter that makes quick work of almost anything you put in front of it. The Ken Onion Elite Sharpener brings professional-level sharpness right to your fingertips. It's versatile enough to handle kitchen knives, scissors, axes, and even yard tools with ease. Using it is simple. Just choose the right abrasive for the job, set the speed to match the material, and start sharpening. You'll see your knives and tools regain their precision in no time. The guiding cassette can also be used separately to maintain perfect angles and achieve consistent results every time. With the Ken, all your knives and tools stay sharp, efficient, and ready for any task. The Worx Nitro 20-volt paint sprayer is designed to make painting faster, smoother, and far less tiring compared to brushes or rollers. Simply pour your paint into the large container, adjust the flow speed to match your project, and you're ready to go. It gives you the choice between a wide spray for larger areas like walls or fences, and a narrow spray for edges, corners, or smaller details. Thanks to its cordless design powered by a 20-volt battery, you can move freely and paint almost anywhere without restrictions. When the job is done, cleaning is surprisingly easy. The detachable parts let you rinse everything quickly, preventing clogged nozzles and dried paint. That way, your sprayer is ready for the next project in no time. The FlipOut Rechargeable Power Screwdriver is a clever little tool designed to make every DIY task smoother and faster. Its standout feature is the ability to reach hard-to-access corners, so no screw is out of reach. Thanks to its flexible design, it can bend to almost any angle you need, making it perfect for tight spots or awkward positions. The screwdriver comes with jointed segments that let you adjust it precisely, allowing bends from 60 degrees to 90 degrees and even a full 360 degrees, giving you maximum control in tricky spaces. It's powered by a reliable 8-volt lithium-ion battery, Whether you're working on small electronics, assembling furniture, or tackling DIY projects, the FlipOut Screwdriver brings versatility, convenience, and precision all in one compact tool. It's like having an extra hand that can twist and turn exactly where you need it. The Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife is not just another cutting tool. It's a smart 2-in-1 design that makes your work faster and easier. With its patented mechanism, this knife instantly transforms from a standard utility knife into a scraper, giving you the best of both worlds in one compact tool. It's perfect for removing paint, putty, sticky labels, or even old adhesive from windows, mirrors, or tiles. Flip it back to knife mode, and you can easily cut through carpet, vinyl, plastic, or even rope without breaking a sweat. Changing the blade is quick and simple, so you're never slowed down on the job. The handle is covered in a non-slip rubber grip, giving you solid control even if your hands are sweaty or the surface is slippery. For extra safety, it also comes with a finger guard ridge to keep your hands protected while you work. On top of that, it includes a built-in can opener and a lanyard opening, making it a truly versatile tool you can carry anywhere. Whether you're tackling home projects, professional work, or just need something reliable in your toolbox, the Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife is a go-to essential and a must-have for anyone who values efficiency and safety. The electric thermal weeder is a smart way to clear out weeds without touching chemicals. It uses strong bursts of thermal heat that burn the weed down to the root, making it perfect for keeping your driveway, garden paths, sidewalks completely clean. It's eco-friendly, easy to handle, and comes with adjustable temperature settings, so you can match the heat to different surfaces and weed types. That means you get effective removal without worrying about regrowth. The built-in 2-meter cable gives you enough reach to cover a good area without hassle. Once you're finished, just let the machine cool down on its stand, and when not in use, its compact design makes storage simple. The StackTech Foldable Level is a compact tool that makes leveling and measuring quick and simple. Its foldable design lets it bend up to 360 degrees, so you can easily measure corners and tricky angles where regular levels won't reach. It works on all kinds of surfaces, whether at home, in the office, or on the job site. Thanks to its magnetic base, it can also stick firmly to metal surfaces, giving you extra convenience when working with both hands. Lightweight and portable, it's small enough to fit into your everyday essentials, yet accurate enough to handle a variety of tasks. This makes it a reliable tool for anyone who wants precision without the bulk. The Nicpro Carpenter pencil is designed to be a reliable companion for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working in construction, woodworking, or architecture, this pencil makes marking precise lines effortless. Its 45mm tip is perfect for reaching into tight spaces or deep holes with precision. A built-in sharpener ensures the lead stays sharp and ready to use whenever you need it. The thick 2.8mm lead is strong enough to mark on wooden walls to metal and concrete, making it a true all-rounder for construction and woodworking projects. The Nicpro Carpenter pencil is a small tool that delivers big. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is like having a helpful extra hand right on your wrist. It keeps everything within reach so you don't have to stop and search around while you work. The built-in magnets securely hold onto your essentials. It's crafted from tough ballistic nylon. The adjustable strap makes it easy to wear on your wrist, but you can also hang it on a tool belt or nearby surface if that works better for you. The Milescraft lock makes door lock installation quick and easy. Just start by placing the lockmate on your door, so your lock sits exactly where it should. Next, grab your hole saw and cut right through the marked spot. The lockmate holds everything steady, giving you a clean, accurate hole every time with zero guesswork. When that's done, flip it to the other side, adjust the hole size, and make your second cut. Finally, install the lock, tighten it up, and you're all set. With the Lockmate Plus, you'll have a perfectly fitted door lock in no time. Quick, easy, and stress-free. The Toughbuilt StackTech system is designed for people who want complete control over how they organize and transport their tools. This system allows you to build and customize your storage by stacking different modules together. Each piece locks securely into place with an automatic stacking mechanism, so you can carry multiple toolboxes, organizers, and accessories as one solid unit. The entire system is built from tough, high-impact materials, reinforced with steel corners, and sealed with an IP65 rating, which means it keeps out dust and water even in harsh job site conditions. Whether you're working in construction, woodworking, mechanics, or even just managing your garage, StackTech gives you a way to keep everything organized and accessible. The mobile rolling toolbox acts as the foundation, with large all-terrain wheels that can handle rough ground and a telescoping handle that makes it easy to pull around like a suitcase. Because it's designed as the base unit, you can stack multiple drawers and organizers on top of it and move them all together. It's perfect for anyone who needs to take their tools from one site to another without carrying multiple boxes separately. The rolling toolbox includes accessory rails and dual locking points, giving you even more flexibility for attaching add-ons and keeping your gear secure. The Bosch Cordless Saw is built for quick and effortless cutting, making it ideal for DIY projects and small tasks on the go. It allows plunge cuts straight into the material, so you don't need any extra steps to get started. Freehand cutting is smooth and fast, giving you flexibility for different shapes and sizes. The nano blade system makes blade changes and cleaning simple, while the built-in speed control lets you adjust the power to match the material. With a cutting depth of up to 65 mm and cordless freedom, it delivers precise, clean results without the hassle of cables. Perfect for anyone who values convenience and accuracy. The Saker Contour Gauge is a versatile tool designed to easily replicate irregular shapes and contours, making it perfect for flooring, tiling, woodworking, and various DIY projects. It features an adjustable locking mechanism to hold the shape in place for accurate tracing, and adjustable pin tension to suit different materials and precision needs. It comes in multiple sizes, such as 5-inch and 10-inch options, to handle a range of tasks. Whether you're cutting tiles, fitting molding, shaping cabinetry, or creating craft templates, this gauge simplifies the process. The Makita cordless dust blower is built to make cleaning and maintenance effortless. Whether it's removing dust from machines, blowing out debris from tight corners, or reaching tricky spots, this tool gets the job done without hassle. It's especially handy on construction sites, where dust and dirt tend to settle in places that are hard to reach with regular cleaning tools. With the included accessories, it can also inflate items like air mattresses or deflate them when you're done. The blower comes with different nozzles designed for different tasks, so you can switch them depending on whether you're cleaning, inflating, or deflating. It's just as useful at home for DIY projects as it is on the job site. This cordless blower is a powerful all-rounder. This is the Inequalit Circular Saw, a compact powerhouse that makes your cutting jobs faster, smoother, and more precise. It comes with a built-in laser guide, so your cuts stay perfectly accurate from start to finish. No more second-guessing your lines, just follow the laser and go. With the blade spinning at an impressive 3,500 RPM, it glides through materials effortlessly, delivering a clean, professional finish every time. Whether you're cutting wood, tiles, or even light metal, this little saw handles it all with ease. Need to switch things up? Changing the blade is simple and hassle-free. No complicated steps, no wasted time, just swap it out and keep working. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Kreg Multipurpose Project Blocks, your new go-to helper for almost any project. These small yet powerful blocks are designed to give your work the perfect support wherever you need it. Whether you're sanding, routing, clamping, cutting, or even painting, these blocks make every task easier, cleaner, and more precise. Plus, their smart design includes gripping points that hold your material firmly in place, so you can work with confidence, even on those hard-to-reach corners. Each block is tough enough to handle a massive 200-kilogram load. Built strong to survive drops, yet light and compact enough to keep handy, they're always ready when you are. Simple, durable, and incredibly versatile. These blocks are the kind of tool you'll end up using for everything. Try them once, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. The Arbortech Turbo Shaft is a game changer for detailed woodworking. Its slim design lets you reach into those tight spaces where other tools just can't fit. This means you can carve and shape with incredible precision. What makes it even better is the freedom it gives you to create. From smooth curves to unique patterns, this tool makes adding detail effortless. And with its adjustable depth limit, you stay in full control, whether you need a light surface cut or a deep carve. If you're looking for versatility and accuracy in one tool, the Arbortech Turbo Shaft is built to make your creative ideas a reality. The Saker Cordless Pole Saw is a versatile 2-in-1 tool. It works as a pole saw for those hard-to-reach branches, and with a quick switch, it turns into a compact handheld chainsaw for close-up cutting tasks. The pole extends up to 2 meters, powered by a strong 400-watt brushless motor that ensures smooth, efficient, and reliable cutting. Whether you're trimming smaller branches, cutting firewood, or working on DIY projects, this tool gives you the flexibility and power to handle it all with ease.